Right, so today I'll be showing you how to locate your Samsung Galaxy Smart Tag 2 using your iPhone. Now, you cannot set up your Galaxy Smart Tag 2 with an iPhone, but once you set it up with a Samsung phone, you can actually use any iPhone to locate it. And to do this, you simply need to go to your favorite browser. So just go to your browser, and then on your browser, you want to navigate to smartthingsfind.samsung.com. That's the official find website for Samsung. Okay, so smartthingsfind.samsung.com. So you want to go there and make sure you're signed in with the same Samsung account that you used to set up your Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Now, once you sign in, you should be able to see your devices on the map. Now, currently, I can see my Galaxy A17 right there. But if you tap on this menu in the top left corner, you can see my Smart Tag 2 is visible right there. And you can see it on a map. There you go. I can see when it was last seen at the location it was last spotted. There it is. So I can tap on that, and then I have a couple of options here. Now, obviously, I don't have as many options as I will have on a Samsung phone, like the navigation and stuff like that. But I can make this Smart Tag ring. So you can tap on ring, and then tap on start, and that's gonna make your Smart Tag ring. To make it stop ringing, once you find it, just press on the button on the Smart Tag, and that's gonna make it stop ringing. And it says your Smart Tag 2 rang. So that is basically how you can use the iPhone to locate your Galaxy Smart Tag 2. Now, obviously, this is very limited in the amount of things you can do, but you can actually use your iPhone, the browser, to locate this. And keep in mind that you have to use Google Chrome or some other kind of supported browser. The default Safari browser on your iPhone doesn't work. All right. Anyway, thanks for watching and good luck.